Okay, so I'm gonna cross this river and those bags. Nobody's coming with me, so I'm doing this alone. Don't worry, just jump. Okay, so we just got in here, this palace, and we're trying to look for Auntie Veronica, Uncle James, and Mommy, because we took a different route. It stinks. It's like a maze. Picture? Okay, we're on the hunt for Mommy, and Auntie Veronica, and Uncle James. Where could they be? We have to go that way as much as possible. So, people live here. Hey, we found them! We found them!
We found you. We found you.
Okay, so we are gonna walk all the way up there. So I have a good view already, but I'm still gonna walk up there.
Hi. We just hiked up on this hill on this village in Ait Ben Haddou. It's so gorgeous up here.
Okay, so we're at a viewpoint that Uncle James found.
Hello.
And me and Max are sitting at the edge. Okay, let's go down this hill, Max. Pretty steep. Okay, so we're going out of this Ait Ben Haddou ancient place, and we're gonna go find a geocache, which is across that almost dried up river. Okay, let's go. Okay, hi Max. We're waiting for the adults so we can find the geocache together, right? Adults are up there. Okay, so me and Max went ahead of everybody.
Okay.
And we're just waiting in this marketplace.
This lady's making bread the old-fashioned way, how it's been done before.
Okay, the pizza just finished, and we're gonna eat it.
Because now the ranch, it's not far, it's just over there. If you want to have a look, it's with a pleasure.
I'll let you go first. Crossing. Okay. I crossed. Now Auntie Veronica goes. Okay, we're finally gonna look for the geocache. Okay. We're near the geocache, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's up?
Okay, so we got the geocache.
This is when we can start bringing in the Canadian Tire money, Daddy.
Oh yeah, I have Canadian Tire money.
This one. Okay, everybody. I'm walking to a ranch where I'm gonna ride horses.
Good.
So we arrived. Sarah wants to ride Orion. I want to ride Salam.
So the kids are back in the ranch and they want to do a little bit of horseback riding.
He licked my GoPro.
So Zara's going back.
Sarah's a pro. Take Uncle James coming out. Okay.
Aw, I missed it.
This one.
I wanted to get you coming off.
Oh, I got it.
How
I
did you
got
get
it.
off?
I got
Did you?
Did you just jump off?
I did the same thing you probably did. Just like swung my leg over and came down. Except I'm
No,
tall
the
enough where I
guy
can
jumped.
leave 1 foot
The
here.
guy carried me.
Oh, did he?
The guy carries me out. Oh, I want to see mommy come off.
We miss on the horse.
Good job. Thank you for keeping me safe. Hi.
Oh, it was good.
How's your experience, guys? Can I have a kiss? Mwah. Hi! We'll take you on adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.